Hi, my name is Andy. I'm the owner of Loomis LED. Our website's loomisled.com, all one word. I'd like to introduce a new gigging light tonight. This is a really incredibly powerful light, probably the most powerful gigging light in the country right now, you'll see. But I custom made this light head. It's only 12 ounces. It has a solid bar of aluminum in it. We drill a hole straight through the bar so you get direct water cooling of the block that the LEDs are mounted to. These are Cree's most powerful LEDs, the Cree XML L2 U2 bin. We get 1260 lumens out of each one. These are 48 degree medium flood reflectors. That's the most common reflector. There's so much power in this light, it will light up your whole half your neighborhood. This light is really powerful. We took it out in the woods the other night and we're lighting up 300 feet out into the woods. I'm going to show you how we assemble this and how it's put together. I have two military grade Teflon wires here. Silver over copper for low resistance. There's no electronics in this light. We drive the high powered LEDs directly with these lithium-ion batteries. This is a custom waterproof battery pack that we hand make ourselves. We pack 4 high capacity 2600 milliamp hour Samsung rechargeable batteries into this compact waterproof case here. You get heavy duty connectors. These are brand new batteries. You get 4 of them. These are $10 batteries a piece. You get $40 worth of batteries and a dual battery charger that you plug into any AC wall outlet. This battery pack will run these 2 XMLs, producing 2400 lumens for 2 to 3 hours. It's a really nice setup. So you take this ultra lightweight light head, very tough, super lightweight, good angle. We feed the wires. We also use the thin wall, very thin wall, but rigid and super lightweight 3/4 inch shaft for this light because of its size, and it's our biggest light. This has twice the power of our standard single light head, which has been a huge hit over the last year and a half. So we just feed these wires right through. This is all going to take you approximately 5 minutes to put together once you get your shaft. This is a 46-inch long shaft, which is probably the most common size for most people. Here's our battery compartment. We hand machine a lot of the PVC parts, the inside, so things will fit. We just don't buy these and slap them together. There's a lot of work that goes into making this. We actually hand bed the switches. They're totally waterproof. You could take this thing scuba diving if you make your seams good and make them waterproof. Your weakest link probably is this threaded coupling on the back. You put a little pipe compound, Teflon pipe compound, just a little bit on the threads to make yourself a nice waterproof seal. With just a light turn, this is going to be a waterproof seal anyway. So let's hook this up. These 2 wires come out of the shaft. They go right into the battery compartment and come out the other side. You line it up, you get it set up. And sometimes a wire gets stuck in there, and I have a little fork here just to get the wires through. Be patient here. There we go. So now I have 4 wires coming out. 2 from the switch and 2 from the light head. So you just take, there's a male and female wire on the switch. These are the switch wires, the black wires. So all we're doing is we're going to take, say, the positive wire, and we're going to hook up one of the switch wires to that positive wire, and we're going to hook up the other switch wire to the positive. So the switch is breaking the positive connection between the battery pack and the light head. And the negative wire to the battery pack goes to the negative or the white wire coming off the light head. Now this whole setup goes back inside this tube and fits really snug inside the tube. There you go. Now we've also put a stainless steel solid eyelet on the back here for attaching a lanyard so you can tie this to your belt and drop the light when you stick a fatty. And we're going to screw this in like so. Now this whole light head, batteries and all, the whole thing is perfectly balanced. It's almost balanced right where you're going to be holding it, okay? It's ergonomically designed to slide through the water like a snake. It's well balanced, it doesn't bob, it doesn't sink. It only weighs 43 ounces. That's 2 pounds, 10 ounces for this 2 to 3 hour, ultra high tech, the world's most powerful Cree XMLs, 2 of them, with custom matched aluminum reflectors over each LED, all epoxy embedded. This light head, you could put in boiling water. It's that tough. We've tortured these lights to the nth degree. So now I'm going to take it out in our backyard right now. It's pretty nasty weather up here in the Northeast, but we're going to take it outside and light up the whole backyard and show you the power of this little light. You can run this light out of the water if it's cold for a good solid 10-15 minutes thereabouts. We have yet to determine the actual time based upon the temperature rise of the light head, but we should get at least 10 minutes of runtime out of the water. Other than that, it's meant to be in the water for continuous use for cooling purposes. This is a very high power LED light head. It's 2400 solid bright white lumens with a color temperature of 7000 K. Anyway, thank you very much. The next portion of this video, you'll see us going outside and demonstrating this incredible, very powerful light. The list price on this with the batteries, charger, and all will be about $179.95. We figure that's a fair price. There's a lot of work and materials and a lot of work that goes into making this light. I hope you enjoy it, and please leave feedback on the webpage and call me anytime. I'm available 7 days a week to talk to. Thank you. Hi, this is part 2 of the video. We're going to be demonstrating the new dual Cree XML light head, gigging light, powered by 4 lithium-ion high-capacity batteries. This light is really powerful. If you can see, we're lighting up, it's pouring rain out, and you can see this light lighting up the whole woods out here. This light is incredibly bright. It lights up the boat, lights up the whole side of the house. This light will light up 150, 200 feet down the beach while you're walking. It's extremely bright, extremely bright. That's my 25-foot Parker sword chaser. It's an extremely bright light. This light will light up the tops of trees, and it's very powerful. And the switch, we've switched these switches hundreds of times and haven't had a failure. So this is a really, really nice, super lightweight gigging light that you can tie to your waist. Extremely powerful. It's really bright. It's lighting up the whole house. And it's a very, 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 very powerful light. Like I said, it's twice as powerful as my 1200 lumen single light. And this light comes with 4 brand new Samsung rechargeables, good for 1500 recharge cycles. This is a great light. Waterproof, super lightweight, high tech. You can run it out of the water. I think I've been out here a few minutes now, no problems. Light head isn't even warm. It isn't even warm to the touch. So yes, you can probably, we'll give you at least 10 minutes out of the water run time. At least, if not more. My other light you can run for a long time, but this has a lot more power. Anyway, I thank you very much for looking at our new product. Please feel free to call with any questions. You could mount this to a boat, you could mount it to kayaks, and you can do just about anything with this light. Anyway, thank you very much. My name's Andy. Feel free to call anytime. My number's 508-524-0296. And that's Loomis LED, LOOMIS LED.com. Thank you.